Hello everyone! This is our new product. It's the Type-C version of a wireless HDMI audio and video transmitter. Doesn't require downloading an app or an internet connection. You can directly point-to-point projection, transforming from a small screen to a large screen. It can reach up to 50 meters. Let's take a look at the contents inside. You can see that we have a TX transmitter, and then we have the RX receiver. There is a manual. We're providing a velvet drawstring pouch. Additionally, we have a female-to-female adapter. If you need to reset it, we provide a card pin inside. You'll need a sharp object, and we've included it. Let's first prepare a USB charger for powering the RX. Connect the HDMI using the provided female-to-female adapter. This way, you don't have to run behind the TV every time you want to connect. Now, take out our TX. The TX has a Type-C interface. You can directly plug it into any device that supports Type-C output. After connecting, you'll see an external icon appearing. Now, connect it to our large screen. You'll see the small screen becoming a large screen. Now, let's try YouTube. You can see that the audio and video are being transmitted. Even with apps like Netflix, there's no issue. Everything works smoothly. How about the latest iPhone 15? Of course it works. Now let's play a video. You can rotate it, and it becomes a larger screen. You can directly wirelessly project. Our Type-C design is very lightweight, so installing it directly on a phone doesn't make it feel large. For those who want to project their small screen for games, it's no problem. If the laptop or computer supports Type-C output, you can also use the Nugens Type-C wireless HDMI audio and video transmitter for projection. The Type-C wireless HDMI audio and video transmitter don't require network setup for projection. It can be used directly, plug and play, for quick and convenient point-to-point projection. After plugging it in, wait a few seconds and you can directly start projecting. Then, project our PPT directly. The connection is very fast and convenient, directly point-to-point. If you don't want to project directly, you can also extend the screen. Go to our display settings. Currently, it's duplicate display. You can switch it to extended settings. Keep the changes. Afterward, we'll have an extended screen, but it's the wireless version. Simply bring over the large screen. You can do extended projection, and I can still control it. Then, on the other screen, I can open a browser to do something else. Very convenient and easy to use.